Hey folks, Todd here. Today we're going to install the EpYx Steps from RealTruck on the 2021 and up Ford Bronco. The only tool I'll be using for this installation is a 14mm ratcheting wrench. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're starting off underneath the truck. We're on the driver's side, just behind the driver's side front tire. We're going to follow along. We got our body mount bolt, come back along the rocker panel, and we're going to see we've got two holes right here. These are threaded holes from the factory. Now, if you've got plugs or bolts in those holes, those need to be removed, or if you have the factory rock rail, that will need to be removed. So next what we're going to do is we're going to locate our driver's side front bracket. Now this looks exactly like the passenger side front bracket. It's the exact same bracket, so it doesn't matter which one you grab, but it's going to line up to those two holes. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our longer bolts out of our kit and get them started in those holes. And just get those in there finger tight for right now. We'll come back later and adjust them before we tighten them up. All right, now the middle bracket and the rear bracket are exactly the same, and they're the same for the passenger side too. So you're gonna have four brackets that look exactly like this. Those are gonna line up to a hole here in the rocker panel and up here. Again, if you've got plugs or bolts there, remove those first. And I'm gonna go ahead and start with our top bolt. Again, using the same hardware as we just used on the front bracket. And the rear bracket is going to mount the exact same way. All right, now we're going to go ahead and bring our step up to our brackets. Now what you're going to notice is that you've got holes in the brackets that are going to line up to the holes in the steps. What we're going to do is take some carriage bolts out of our kit, go through the hole in the step, and bring that up to the bracket, and start off with a bolt. Now it's a lot of times it's very helpful to have another set of hands helping you out with it. So we're just going to put those in finger tight for right now. I like to start with the center and then work my way out to the ends. I got it. right, next what we want to do is get everything all lined up where we want it, and we're going to snug everything down, starting with snugging the brackets to the boards, and then we'll snug the brackets to the vehicle. We're going to use just a 14mm ratcheting wrench to do all of that. All right, now we're going to go ahead and tighten down the brackets to the vehicle. All right, now repeat the exact same process for the opposite side. Well, that concludes the installation. If you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online at RealTruck.com.